In the graph editor, since we added two keyframes, you'll see them listed as geometry start factor and geometry end factor. Click on the red geometry start factor, then go over to the modifiers tab. Set the end frame to 800. Click Add Modifier and choose Noise. Set the scale to 55 and strength to 3.5. Now click the left clipboard icon to copy these settings. Next, select the green geometry end factor and hit the right clipboard icon to paste the settings. Since both curves now have the same settings, the animation will cancel out and disappear. To fix that, tweak the settings a bit. Set offset to 66 and change strength to 3.2. Press play and check out the curve animation.